Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial of TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can show you're listening to Spotify on your Discord application. In order to show that you're listening to Spotify on your Discord application, you need to connect Spotify to your Discord application. First thing, logged into your Discord application, and once you're logged into your account, next interface, tap on your username. Under user settings, you'll be able to see an option as connection. As you click on connection on the other interface, you'll be able to see all the applications that you will be able to connect to your Discord. Now from here, you'll need to tap on Spotify. So as you tap on Spotify, right at the bottom, you'll have an option as display on profile and display Spotify as your status. After you toggle the switch for both of these options, so that is how you can show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. By default, every time you play Spotify on the same desktop that you're logged in, the status will automatically change to listening to Spotify on the Discord application. So this is how you can show you're listening to Spotify on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.